flushed him out.
Close out the other end.
Stick your hand in that hair and just pull him out.
Be careful, because I sure him, bud. Why he barking? He's in there.
He's fine. He's crashing.
My kids ain't gonna believe this. You want to put him out? I can put my hands on him.
Oh, there he is.
Oh, he won't bite you, I don't think.
Come on.
You might need to make that hole bigger.
He might.
Yeah. Come on, Ruth.
Bust more of the pipe. I mean, back here, make the hole wider.
There you go.
I don't think he was stuck. Come on out there, boy.
He's smaller than the pipe than I thought.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't think it's stuck.
Well, he couldn't have gotten out the bottom. It wasn't clogged with enough with dirt.
There you go.
There you go.
Come on, Rufus. Enough of that, wasn't it?
Don't you go back in there no more.